everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss out on weekly, quick and easy recipes. We have a lot of exciting content coming up that you won't want to miss. Today, I've got something super fun and healthy for you. An easy green juice recipe that you can whip up in just 3 minutes. Perfect for those busy mornings or a quick afternoon pick-me-up. Yes, you heard that right. 3 minutes. It's so quick and easy, you'll wonder why you haven't been making this every day. So, let's get started with the ingredients. You'll need a few simple, fresh items that you probably already have in your kitchen. 1 cup of fresh spinach, half a cucumber, 1 green apple. These ingredients are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. A stalk of celery. Celery is fantastic for adding a bit of crunch and is great for digestion. A small piece of ginger, about ½ inch. Ginger adds a nice kick and is excellent for your immune system. The juice of 1 lemon. Lemon adds a zesty flavor and is high in vitamin C, which is great for your skin and overall health. And 1 cup of water. Water helps everything blend smoothly and keeps you hydrated. First, make sure to wash all your ingredients thoroughly. This step is crucial to remove any dirt or pesticides. You want to keep things clean and fresh. A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. Now grab your blender and let's get blending. A good blender will make this process much easier and quicker. Start by adding the cup of fresh spinach into the blender. Spinach is packed with nutrients like iron and vitamins A and C. Spinach is also great for your skin and helps boost your immune system. Then chop up your cucumber into chunks and toss it in. Cucumbers add a nice refreshing taste and are great for hydration. Cucumbers are also low in calories, making them perfect for a healthy diet. Next, slice your green apple into quarters, removing the core, and add the pieces to the blender. Apples add a touch of sweetness and are rich in fiber. Apples are also great for your digestive health and help keep you feeling full longer. Now, chop the celery stalk into smaller pieces and throw it in. Celery is great for digestion and adds a nice crunch. Celery is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce bloating. Don't forget that small piece of ginger. Just peel it and add it straight in. Ginger gives the juice a little kick and is excellent for your immune system. Ginger is also great for digestion and can help reduce nausea. Finally, squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon. Lemon adds a zesty flavor and is high in vitamin C. Lemon is also great for detoxifying your body and boosting your immune system. Pour in 1 cup of water to help everything blend smoothly. Water is essential for keeping you hydrated and helps the blender mix everything together. And now, the fun part. Blend it all together. Make sure to blend on high for about 30 seconds or until everything is smooth and well mixed. You want to make sure there are no chunks left, so blend until it's completely smooth. Pour your fresh green juice into a glass and enjoy. Look at that vibrant green color, so refreshing and packed with goodness. This juice is not only delicious, but also incredibly healthy. It's a great way to start your day or to enjoy as a refreshing snack. Cheers to health and happiness. Drinking this green juice regularly can help improve your overall health and well-being. And there you have it, an easy, healthy green juice in just 3 minutes. It's quick, it's easy, and it's packed with nutrients. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more quick and easy recipes every week. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, happy juicing. Remember, a healthy lifestyle starts with small, simple changes. Please like, share, and subscribe. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more delicious and healthy recipes.